versus Cherry Tigo. This is the PBL.
A tweak in the starting lineup for Coach Sherwin Meneses for the first time in the Reinforced Conference. Eliza Valdez will be coming off the bench, and Tots Carlos, Schwan, Panaga, and Valdez. In the meantime, same starting lineup for your Tigo EV crossovers. Galang coming off an 11-point performance. Pongay Gaston or Pauline Gaston 10, and then
this version of their rotation in the past, Tots Carlos will be playing as an outside hitter. Michelle Gumaba will play opposite.
And the Cool Smashers kick it off. Alina Bicar, second, make that third straight start for her. Coming off a 19 excellent set performance in their very first win of the Reinforced Conference. Batista got it.
Quick recovery there from Uni Batista after getting blocked the first time. He just hit it off the hands of the blockers in the middle of the standings in Pool B, and I'm sure they're not used to this feeling. Sanay sila na nasa top top 2 at the very least. But again, teams
Here, they're still up by 1. Not a good pass from Robles. Batista. Schwan with a dig. Negrito out to Carlos. Rejected. Kyla Atienza with coverage. Carlos tries again. Mierva this time picks it up. Batista, hard working today, rolls it over. Carlos picks it up from the pipe. Schwan, that dig going over, and that's put away by Carlos.
another deadlock, this time at 13. Jen Mierva was actually there to put pressure on the receivers of Cherry Tigo.
Reception has been an issue here for the Tigo EV crossovers. Looking for their first 2-point lead today. Not there yet. Now a chance to tie. Batista going up. And that big going over. Bicar. This time to Galang. Cross court. Rejected. Bicar all the way out to Batista again. Schwan keeping it alive. Atienza one-handed pass. Carlos with an easy over. Another opportunity to put it away. Combination play. Batista got it. Game is tied at 14.
Really, Batista is getting a lot of attempts. He's working hard. Already has 6 points in his first.
Bad pass. Off-system play for the Cool Smashers. There's a dig by Robles. Batista looking for the win. Got it. Back-to-back points for Yuli Batista, and the first set belongs to Cherry EV crossovers.
It boiled down to the passing of the Cool Smashers. It was a broken play for them. That's why the Cherry EV crossovers got a chance to put that ball away.
That point brought to you by Myra, the Vita Brighter.
Yung naging reception ni Tots. Hopefully this time around, mas makakapanya na yung bola on that first pass.
A good start here for the Cool Smashers.
Yuri Batista, kailangan mas tumibay pa yung defense system ng Creamline.
Back row attack for Carlos. And coverage extremely good for the Cherry EV crossovers, but back-to-back points for Schwan to start set number 2.
The double block just couldn't handle the power that Schwan hit.
Gumabao serving for the Cool Smashers. Robles with a much better pass. And again, Gaston, you mentioned how high her efficiency is to sit on a 4-point lead, but right now this isn't safe with the way the Cherry EV crossovers have been making a run. This one, almost an overpass. Gaston, good job defending at the net. Schwan, there's a dig by Mierva. Batista from the pipe, popped up by Gumabao, and Carlos looking to answer. Another drop shot, pancake save. Mierva, Robles. Yes! What an exchange here.
NU connection right there. The deep
4-point game. Maraño with a great serve. Combination play. Carlos drills it in.
what a hit from.
This is now the closest the EV crossovers or Cherry EV crossovers have been since trailing by 7. They're within 3. Block there. Make that a 2-point game. Robles with her 5th point.
Set number 1, Creamline played catch up. This time it's Cherry Tigo.
And then Robles can hit the occasional back row shot. Oh, Schwan. What a second set first. And an ace would be awesome right now for the Cherry EV crossovers. This one an overpass, and Batista puts it away.
Is have to claim their balls.
Over eagerness to keep it alive. Good pass. Gumabaw. Maraño now a chance to tie. Bicar. Oh, a rejection! Pangs Panaga, what a way to finish it off, stopping the run of the Cherry EV crossovers with a monster block. This point, and like what you said, Neil, for the Cherry EV crossovers, Mylene Paat part of the starting lineup here in set number 3. Batista. Popped up by Atienza. Negrito goes to Schwan. Got it.
Cross-guard hit there. Coco Schwan.
Maraño with block number 2. That's her 3rd point of the match. Gumabaw.
That's the set for Michelle Gumabaw.
Maraño and company back on top by 1. Good serve. Gumabaw down the line. Got it. Ladies. Meanwhile, it's Tots Carlos with 9, second leading scorer for the Cool Smashers, right behind the 22 of Schwan. There's 23. A smile on the face. You're able to see Batista smiling. Good serve by Gaston, but a better pass there by Carlos. Schwan. 24 now for Coco Schwan.
That was a clean block from Mylene Paat. No net fault there. That will be unsuccessful.
So
Cherry deep.
Alina Bicar's got a full front line as well. Paat, Maraño, and Batista. And there is a block against Schwan. A first shutdown we see. Great serving by Bicar. And hit. There's a touch on the Panaga point. And this one clearly out by several inches. 2-point lead for Maraño and Cherry. Carlos in the middle. Cool Smashers led by as many as 3. And wasn't a big lead. Chance ball now. Opportunity to tie. Carlos. Good save, but it goes over. No, overpass as well by Gumabaw. Adorador hits. Carlos again. 2 blockers. Batista, Nierva, Adorador with the easy over. Chance ball for the Cool Smashers. Carlos from the middle again. This one popped up easily by Batista. Paat. Atienza back to Carlos. Carlos working extra hard.
That is an understatement.
5 over 13 coming here in set number 3. Tied game at 23. Paat for the lead. Nope. Easy over. Now chance for the lead. Carlos delivers. Yes, he does.
He's getting all the sets from Kyle Negrito, and he has been converting.
Point for the Cool Smashers. Bad pass. Off system play. Shaya. Now a chance to put it away. Go to Carlos. Why not? Nierva with a dig. Batista from the pipe. 1-2 for Negrito. The save. It's outside, and a come from behind win. 3 points today. Yep, it is her lowest scoring match so far. Panaga, one-handed dig for Nierva as we kick things off here in set number 4. Batista rejected by Pangs Panaga.
Unit because she delivered in the past 2 sets.
Well, they want to get Galang going. Let's see if she does start to make a big impact here in set number 4. They need her if they are to win against the Cool Smashers. Robles. Oh, back-to-back monster blocks to kick off set number 4.
This is what we saw in set number 1 from Dreamline. This time,
In set number 3. So it is an unsuccessful challenge for Coach Norman Miguel.
And ganun talaga pag combination play sa gitna. Hindi pwedeng hindi mapagalaw yung ibang blockers.
Meantime, Panaga has
Skills at showing Coach Sherwin that she's ready anytime na kailangan siya.
Batista. Batista hasn't scored here in set 4.
Ooh.
Schwan. Nierva, the reverse set. Batista again finding it so hard to put the ball down. Schwan, meantime, just keeps pouring it on. Schwan with her best game now in the Reinforced Conference with 27.
Tienza has her number.
To the attack faults. Let's see if that allows Cherry Evie crossovers to get back in this game. The 3 points they're getting. Oh, but Panaga, after the net touch,
Been playing an efficient game. And even though she commits an error from time to time, nababawi agad the next rally. Another chance for Creamline to run a play.
go to thoughts. Why not? Miss hit though from Carlos. They're saying there's a touch. Have 3 already. Panaga, Carlos, and Schwan. There is a touch. Robles. Oh. I mean, how good is the blocking of the post?
For Nika Celes, or she can help Courtney Schwan get to 30 points.
They want Celis to put it away. Batista still can't find her first point in set number 4, and that hit is the winning point for the Cool Smashers, who bounce back after losing